What up, what up, what up? What's going on, guys? So today we got a race, man. We finally got a race. We're gonna race a Camaro RS, I believe. Yeah, so we just we're gonna wait for him to show up, and then we're gonna lock it up. In the meantime, our boy about to get his first start in his 2JZ.
Go inside, you just turn it on, right?
Alright. Alright. Go. Uh-huh.
Fix the cables. Not getting
Alright.
not getting any power.
Nice.
I think I pulled it.
Got angry neighbors. Hey yo, you're pissing your neighbors off, bro. This nigga.
My mask did my mask airflow sensor.
Yo, you gotta chill.
What?
You're pissing your neighbors off, man.
Did my mask airflow sensor.
Not a mechanic shop, bro. Damn.
Yo, you have time to turn your car off, bro. Like,
Oh shit, we got them niggas slow. Both of these niggas slow, man. Alright, so we about to head to Mexico. We going to Mexico and we about to lock it up. We got the. What you think gonna happen, man? Huh? I'm gonna get smoked. I mean, it's possible. You got more horsepower. It's a brand new car. On paper, you should win. On paper, but you know, this is real life though. This is real life. We got the 1.8. Let me show you guys what's going on out here. Yeah, we got the 1.8. We got the GT35 71R. We got the meth kit, and we got a tune. And we're running 20 psi. So. We're gonna give him a good run, so we'll see what happens. Second gear, all right, yo. Second gear.
not a cop.
suspect. Fuck it. I'm gonna give him a head start. I'm gonna give him a couple cars. Put your window down. I'm gonna give you a head start. This nigga not ready, bro. And my shit was breaking up too. This nigga ain't ready, man. Oh, is that a cop? Nah, I ain't no fucking cop. Yo, the last pull, my shit was breaking up. Like, probably got a leak somewhere. But that's crazy though, like, this shit wasn't even closed, bro.